I'm sure you've seen these animated AI avatars all over YouTube. Channels like the Zinni Studio, 10x Income, AI Guy, and many others use these animated avatars to engage their audience, resulting in higher retention and increased subscriptions. But if you've ever tried creating your own for free, the results can leave you frustrated. You either end up with DID's watermark all over your talking avatar or poor resolution videos that you most definitely can't use on your channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make high definition talking animated avatars for free. First things first, we need to create our avatar. For this video we will be using Bing Image Creator, mostly out of my personal preference, so feel free to use your preferred AI image generator. Let's give it a simple prompt to generate a black male character in front of a laptop. I will put the full prompt in the description if you want to try it out. Now let's hit create and see the images we get. All of these images look great, but let's generate another set and see the results. These also look amazing and we can definitely use any as our avatar. As you can see, our images have square aspect ratios, but we need landscape images for our YouTube video. So let's change this with Adobe Firefly. We will go to the URL firefly.adobe.com. Here, let's scroll down and select Generative Expand. We need to go back and select our image, so we will click the back button and upload our image. We will select the expand button on the left and choose widescreen, which is the 16:9 aspect ratio we need. Adobe Firefly will add its watermark at the bottom of the image, so let's use the handles to create some space down there. Don't worry, I will show you how you can remove the watermark after this. Now let's hit the generate button and see the results we will get. These images look good, so let's select one and download by hitting the download button. Now that we have our landscape image, we need to get rid of the Adobe Firefly's logo. We can do this by going to Google and then we will type Adobe Image Resizer. Let's choose this first option. Now we will upload the image of our avatar with the Firefly watermark and select YouTube from this drop-down. We will choose the 16:9 thumbnail and drag our image downwards or upwards to ensure that the watermark is no longer visible. Once we're satisfied with the result, we can hit the download button. Now that we have our image, the next step is to animate our avatar. We can do this using two methods, which I will be going through. The first method is by using Artflow and the second is HeyGen. Let's start with Artflow. We begin by typing Artflow into Google search. Now we will select the first result that leads to app.artflow.ai. Let's select Video Studio from the left menu and click Create Videos. We will need to sign up or log in to proceed, so let's get that sorted quickly. Now that we're done with the sign up, we can select Create New Video from scratch. Artflow gives users 100 credits when we first sign up. We need to upload our image, so we will select upload and then browse to select our image. Once we've selected our image, we can click open to begin upload. Now let's click on our image and wait for Artflow to detect our avatar's face from the image. Looks like there was no problem and the face was detected. Let's type out what we want our character to say and then hit on export and animate once we're done. We need to enter a title, then click export video and wait for our video to be ready. Let's check out the results.
Welcome to A-Trends. Today we will be talking about artificial intelligence.
As you can see, our character doesn't look bad, but the video resolution isn't too good. Additionally, we also have this watermark up here. We will be fixing the video resolution later, but first, let's remove the watermark. To remove the watermark, we need to search for 123 apps on Google search and then select this link. Next, we will scroll down and select Remove Logo from Video. Now we need to select our generated video and then draw a rectangle over the watermark. As you can see, it's done a good job at removing the watermark from our video. We simply need to click Apply, hit the Save button, and then export our video. Now we have our video without the watermark. As I said earlier, we will be increasing the quality of our video very soon. But for now, let's take a look at how we can create our animated avatar using HeyGen. We will go to Google and search for HeyGen. From here, we can select the first link that goes to heygen.com and then click on the Get Started for Free button to sign up. Once sign up is complete, we will select Video Avatar and then choose Photo Avatar from the available tabs. Now we need to upload our image by clicking the Upload button to the right. Once our image has successfully been uploaded, we will click on the image and hover over the Create with AI Studio to see the available options. As you can see, we can either choose a landscape or portrait video. Let's select landscape for our video. Now we need to add our short script. Let's write Welcome to AI Trends. Today we will be talking about artificial intelligence. Now that we have our script, we can click the Submit button. Looks like we're getting a notification. It's simply warning us that our script is shorter than the duration of the video. That shouldn't be a problem, so we can ignore it and proceed with our submission. Let's take a look at our final result.
Welcome to AI Trends. Today we will be talking about artificial intelligence.
This doesn't look bad, but it also has the same issue with the resolution. Let's fix it for both of our videos. We will be using Vmake to increase the quality of our video. So first we need to go to Google and search for Vmake Video Enhancer. Let's select the first result that leads to vmake.ai/video enhancer. Now we simply need to select our video and Vmake will do the rest. Let's take a look at the results.
Welcome to A Trends. Today we will be talking about artificial intelligence.
Welcome to AI Trends. Today we will be talking about artificial intelligence.
As you can see, these look considerably better. So this is how you can create a cool animated avatar for your videos for free. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and check out my other videos. Thank you.